Hi, my name's Robert Anderson and I'm the General Manager of Commercial Properties at Shakespeare Property Group. I joined Shakespeare in 2018 and I'm the responsible fund manager for a number of the commercial properties as well as the 2 retirement living portfolios that we currently have. The portfolio currently managed by Shakespeare Property Group is diverse in its geography and covers a number of eastern seaboard states of Australia, including Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and South Australia. The general investment philosophy that we adopt at Shakespeare Property Group is one which is a very disciplined approach to asset selection. We're very, very careful with our risk management strategies, and we like to buy assets in a counter-cyclical kind of environment where we can see deep value opportunities for our investors. And over the history of time, the 25 years of operation, it's the buying of these assets at counter-cyclical points in the cycle that have delivered the best returns for our investors. Just to talk a little bit about 8 Nicholson Street, which is a real landmark property which we've recently acquired. The way that we came about this opportunity was in an off-market basis where, because of our relationships in the market and because of institutional vendor needing a quick sale, we were approached on a direct manner and had the opportunity to deal on the asset outside of the broader market. 8 Nicholson Street is an asset that we already knew well before it was presented to us, and the things that we really love about this asset are in particular the location. We feel that it occupies one of the most unique and premium locations in the Melbourne CBD because it has a unique border of the prime eastern end of the Melbourne CBD, which is traditionally the strongest performing part of the CBD, and also adjoining onto the East Melbourne office precinct, which is also the strongest performing non-CBD office precinct in Melbourne. Other aspects why we believe the building occupies a unique location is that it's only 200 metres from state parliament offices, and this is the principal reason why the building has been fully occupied by the state government for over 20 years. It's an ideal location for the government, and we see it as a prospect for their continued longevity in the building. In addition to that, the location has this unique edge to the Melbourne Health and Medical Precinct, which runs along Victoria Parade. Now, this precinct is very, very important for the future of this building because with our ageing population that most people are aware of, the demand for health and medical services in the city continues to grow apace. And there are very few sites left to develop major medical and health facilities in Melbourne now. So it's not beyond quite reasonable expectation that at some point in the future, this building will be seen as an excellent opportunity to be occupied or converted to medical or health uses. The other key aspect that we really love about 8 Nicholson Street is that it is a true A-grade asset, and it has been fully refurbished by its previous institutional owner. In fact, the building's had almost $50 million spent on it over the last 5 years, which will be a true benefit to our investors going forward over our ownership period. The other part of the building works, which is very appealing, is that it now has a very high environmental rating called NABERS rating. It has the highest rating of 5 stars, and this is a particularly attractive aspect to not only government occupiers, but also a lot of corporates that really want to be a part of the environmental aspects concerning office buildings in the current environment and definitely going forward. Lastly, we think the principle of looking for quality investments is very important in the current market. It's what's called the flight to quality. Both investors and tenants looking to occupy buildings are all gravitating to quality buildings in quality locations. We're confident 8 Nicholson Street definitely has both of these aspects, and we think this will really see it through the market cycle ahead. Thank you to everybody for taking the time to listen to us and see the aspects of 8 Nicholson Street. We truly think it's a great investment, and if you'd like to understand more about the property or the investment logic of why we acquired the asset, please reach out to us at Shakespeare Property Group or your business development manager.
Over recent times, property markets have moved into a more opportunistic buying phase, and we've been looking very closely at certain assets to take advantage of quality offerings and attractive pricing for our investors. This environment has led to a promising investment opportunity in a superb A-grade commercial office building at 8 Nicholson Street, East Melbourne. At Shakespeare Property Group, we are thrilled to announce this exclusive investment for astute investors who are playing the long game. Whilst these may be uncertain times, it's also a time of great opportunity and not one to be missed. We have secured the asset at an attractive price and heavily discounted to replacement cost. A once-in-a-generation opportunity. Close proximity to premium amenities, including Parliament House, Parliament Metro train station, Fitzroy and Carlton Gardens, cafes, restaurants and luxury retail. An exclusive location in CBD Melbourne's northeastern core, a well-known precinct and top-performing market with the lowest 10-year average vacancy rate in the CBD grid. Fully occupied by the Victorian State Government since 2003. It is perfectly located near Parliament House and has undergone extensive refurbishment to cater for government occupancy. 8 Nicholson Street directly benefits from the growing medical precinct, which it uniquely adjoins. Sale rates for quality residential apartments are double and triple our acquisition price per square metre, indicating the long-term potential for residential conversion. Replacement cost is approximately $387 million, which is significantly above our acquisition price of $229.5 million. The acquisition price is significantly below other sales, particularly of A-grade quality or Eastern Precinct location. The initial yield equates to approximately 6%, which is significantly more attractive than other sales. The passing rental is well below other A-grade and Eastern Precinct buildings, and the purchase price was agreed at a 12% discount to the latest book value. Fully leased to the Victorian State Government, and the lease extends to 2028, with attractive fixed annual increases and 5+ 5-year options. This is an ideal acquisition given the quality of the asset and its excellent income generating and capital growth potential features. If you'd like to learn more about this unique and exclusive investment opportunity, please contact the team at Prime Value Asset Management.